Oh, wow. That is incredible. Okay, here we go. Official unboxing of the Vision Pro. This is quite a large box. I'm not going to lie. And it is beautiful packaging. There's the bottom. Here's the top. And then on the sides, it just says Vision Pro. So when you take it off, that top part of the box is pretty heavy. Here's the thing. Now at the Apple Store, I got this fitted so that I made sure that it actually fits me. So we'll go ahead and take off these little pieces here. That just slides out. We'll set that there. These little things on the side, they just come off exceptionally easily. So you want to pay attention to that. So we'll set that aside for now. And then we got the stuff in here. We got a nice cleaning cloth. I think I'm probably gonna be needing that pretty quick with all the fingerprints. We got the dual loop band in here, but having tried on that other one at the store, I'm feeling pretty good about not needing that. So here's a fancy little booklet. Vision Pro, nice full color spread, how to get set up. So I'm just going to walk through all this on camera and we'll see how it goes. Here's the battery pack. Pretty heavy, to be honest. I was surprised when I felt it at the store. It is quite heavy. It's going to be heavy. So we'll set that there. We got another brick and a USB cable, USB-C. And then over on this side, got an extra light seal cushion. Okay, so the device comes with this light seal cushion here. It looks like that's what that is. And then this one also pops off. Now, I don't wear glasses anymore because I got LASIK, so I didn't need any kind of lenses. Hopefully, my LASIK is good enough and we're in a good spot. So let's just set all that over here. We're going to go ahead and pop this guy in right here. Okay, that goes on with this satisfying little click. Let's check it out. What is the Apple Vision Pro? Well, it's a headset. The Apple calls spatial computing, but what you and I would probably call augmented or virtual reality. So what it has here is it has this nice little strip on the back to attach, a little tightening thing that tightens up. It looks like these little orange cables here. And then on the front, it's got a whole bunch of sensors. It's got LiDAR, it's got cameras, it's got this screen over the front that is supposed to display your eyes. So far, not totally sure how great that works. It's got cameras over here and then cameras pointing down so that when you're looking at it through here and you're tapping your fingers down here, you can still see it. On the inside, you can see in here there are these two lenses. And when you put it on, then you push and hold this and it automatically aligns to line up with your pupils so that you're looking straight through those lenses. If you have the Zeiss lenses, because you need a prescription, they just pop out magnetically really easily. This light shield and pad also both come out magnetically, and it's really quite easy to deal with that. The main way that you interact with this is by once it's on, you tap with your index finger and your thumb. And honestly, it's pretty darn good. It's actually quite incredible how good it is. And the way they instructed me at the Apple Store to hold it and put it on was to just grab it like this, which is, seems like it works pretty well. What I find interesting is that when it says that it is sitting correctly, the weight and the pressure is right here on my forehead, and it's not so much here on my cheeks. Maybe that's just me and how I do it. I feel like I've got pretty big cheeks though, so I'm kind of surprised if that's not the case. Now, is it weird to be talking at you with that on my face? Yeah, it can be. The cool thing is that when that's on and you're talking to people in your environment, you can actually see and hear them just fine. One of the things that I found really amazing are these speakers. There's these little speaker pods that are built into the headset here. And this sound is incredible. I just can't believe how good the sound is coming from these little tiny things that it's just really nice. Now I'll just take you through setting up the Apple Vision Pro for the first time. Oh, wow. That is incredible. So it's writing hello out in front of me. I can almost reach out and touch it, which is pretty cool, but it looks like it's blending in with my environment beyond where I'm sitting, which is honestly pretty amazing. Just the writing on the wall is very cool. It's right in front of me. It says bring iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. It's totally clear, looks amazing. I've got two lights and I have to look really hard to see them behind the screen that's there, which is just wild. Okay, I brought it nearby, but it looks like it does not want to work. Let's turn on the little screen recording here. Let's turn the microphone on so that we're going to be synced. Okay. Let's see. Hello. No. Now, here's the crazy thing. If I get up and walk around, it resets the focus of that. Whoa. I mean, I feel like I can... Oh, looks like I can touch it. That's very cool. All right. Let's try to bring them. I'm just looking at dots to set it up. And when I do that, I just tap my fingers. And then it is incredibly precise. Unbelievable. Oh, now that I've gone through the eye setup, things are a little bit more clear, so that's nice. So I'm gonna get started on the persona. How do I look?
Align your entire face within the frame.
Oh, I can kind of see myself in there.
Slowly turn your head to the right. Now, slowly turn your head to the left. Now tilt your head up. Then tilt your head down. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment. Capture complete. Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
So it's creating my persona. Not bad. I look like a Russian. A persona, and this is what I look like in Apple's Vision Pro, which honestly I don't think is too terrible. I think it could be a lot worse. Now I'm looking at myself here, so my eyes are still looking down. I'm looking at the person I'm talking to in Zoom. right there. I think that's pretty fascinating. I'm looking at all the things along the bottom, even the little emoji. If I do the thumbs up, which has become quite annoying in Zoom meetings lately to have these things here, you're going to see when I do videos that it looks like the whole world is shaking around me as I'm doing like a screen capture inside the Apple Vision Pro. A couple things that I've noticed from watching other people's videos about the Apple Vision Pro. When you watch me doing a screen recording of what I'm seeing in there, everything is shaky and jumbly. When you're actually in there yourself, you don't see that at all. It does not feel shaky and jumbly at all. I find that really fascinating. The next thing I want to show you is this keyboard situation when you're typing on the Apple Vision Pro. It's really cool. I can actually like touch it. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Wow. All right, so I'm not too great at the typing, but it is pretty cool. Ooh, getting hot. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Here we go. All right. The Siri ball is amazing. All right, there you have my first look at the Apple Vision Pro. Stay tuned to A Vision for Learning to check out a few more ideas about what this could be, what it means for the future. And I look forward to seeing you later at visionforlearning.com. And by the way, be sure to like and subscribe and share this with your friends.